everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. A deal with a devil. Sbu thought he would be rich overnight after making a deal with Nkunzi, who promised him 2 million rand and 5% ownership of Sbusiso's distillery. Nkunzi does not care what happened to Sbu. What he wants is to see his son out of prison. He promised Sbu he will stay only 3 months and Nkunzi will use his connections to take him out. Guys, Sbu loves money and he is a risk taker, so he will take Nkunzi's offer. While inside the prison, Sbu will brag to other inmates about his deal with Nkunzi, how they are friends and how he will make sure he don't stay inside for a long time. Sbu will even promise to visit his inmates and buy them cigarettes when Nkunzi free him. Firstly, guys, Sbu is guilty of crime even more than Sbonelo because Nomzamo died in his presence, so I don't trust Nkunzi with anything. Sbu will rot in jail. The other bad news that was revealed by Marcha Tears is that Sbu's grandmother will die while he is in prison. Hlelo will get some devastating news from the old age home and Sbu will struggle with his loss. I'm not sure if they will allow him to attend her funeral or what. But guys, I feel sorry for Sbu. But again, what can we say? He loves money. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.